There's gold up there on the...
Beautiful.
Yeah. Let's go for a shrine. It's raining. See what I was telling you why I had to wear these shoes. Because it's raining.
Quello che avevi visto tu però, dei gatti.
Oh, there's nice music coming from here. Can you hear the music?
Yeah.
Coming from there. Is that a park or what is there? Do you have any idea? Maybe they like visiting shrine. I decided to follow my friends. Wow. Let me see. What is it all about? The chief temple of Jondo, which is sections of Zoe. International Shrine, the Imperial. Okay. Looks beautiful. Oh, it's raining. I think this GoPro I can go with it under the water, yeah? This is the reason I bought it. It's very expensive, but it has a lot of functions. I'm still learning how to set it up, like lightening, images and others. But yes, thank you guys for bringing me here. At least I'm doing something fun. I was so annoyed because I was just like, what will I do? Okay. We can go inside, yeah? We can go inside, but I don't know because of the weather. Yeah, let's go inside and pray. Oh guys, there is just the tower, Tokyo Tower. My memories forever, forever, forever. Oh, God loves me. Daijobu. Do you know what Daijobu means?
Daijobu?
No. It means are you fine or fine? Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Okay, Daijobu.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to ask, if the Japanese say Daijobu to you,
okay,
they are asking, are you fine?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you have
when they see that, when they see like a situation like this that is a bit uncomfortable because it's wet, they'll ask you Daijobu, and then you have to reply like Daijobu this. Like I am fine.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Oh, my friend, whatever. I'm so wet. Sorry, my tummy. It's not so out. It's just the t-shirt is pulling itself up. You put in a coin, yeah? 100 coin. Do you have a coin? Okay. Maybe they know how to.
Beautiful. What's going?
Yeah. Wait. I can't see that they say cameras are not allowed or what. Yeah, I used to view people at my village because you are busy with me. Now I'm trying to get it. monitor security. So I thought it's a camera. I'm trying to do it from Tankacha. I'm strong spiritually. I'm not die. I'm just doing culture. Don't come after me. Don't reach me, guys. You know, people in my village, they see you are practicing there, they will think it's witchcraft. And then they'll come for you. Those witches and wizards will come for you and see if they can. You can also see spirits. I'm telling them I'm just doing this for. I don't know anything, so don't come for me. Tired. Heavy raining. No. I think I need to